What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to work on Dylan's 2003 Tacoma. We're going to be replacing the stock exhaust with the Flowmaster kit from Amazon. And I'm going to show you the box instructions and kind of, not going to do a full installation, but just do a walkthrough of what we did and kind of the troubles that we had. So let me show you the box. Okay, here's the box you get. Big tall box, comes with that piece inside. There's the actual Flowmaster was in that. Gives you these instruction sheets, pretty straightforward. Even gives you a little diagram of how the layout should be. Super simple. The only thing it does not give you is a few of the bolts and a new gasket for your O2 sensor, which we're gonna show you right now. Okay, so here's the old muffler we took out all the way from the cat. I'm sorry, yeah, the cat, and then all the way there to the tailpipe. That's the tailpipe we cut off with the hanger, because you don't need that hanger. And I'm gonna show you right now why. So I'm gonna get into the little troubles that we had once we're done showing you the installation though. So here is, whoop, let me back up. Here's the new setup right here. They give you new bolts to put in here, stainless steel. There is no gasket in here. Just got to make sure you don't kind of chip, just don't damage the inlet or the outlet that's on this piece here. Here's the O2 sensor here. We did put a brand new gasket here. That does not come with it. Here's the old one. You probably don't need it. Just make sure you don't damage it. But look, this is from 2003. We thought, let's put a new one in. So we got the new O2 sensor gasket, clamped all that down. I'm going to show you the trouble we had with the bolts on this because they're built into the pipe. This one is bolted on. We are going to have it welded, but to get by today so we can drive it, we wanted to put the clamps on. So the clamps are on there. Then you keep moving back. Another clamp there. There's the hanger setup that you have to do. Not too bad, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. It uses all the existing hanger, and then you just do those little tiny, if you can see them, these little black washers here, like little lock washers. You just press them on and slide them up against the rubber hanger, and that's good there. So that's really pretty straightforward on how all that works. But it's pretty slick, it's pretty sturdy in here, not going anywhere. Just make sure you put those little, make sure you put those little washers on there. But yeah, just to give you like a little glimpse of the whole thing. There it is from the cat all the way, muffler to the hanger, right there, and then I'm gonna show you the tailpipe. Okay, here's the rear. This one you will have to change out. So here's the bracket that you're gonna have to install. You're not gonna use the stock hanger that's over here, but you will use, when they say the rear 3 bolts, loosen the center one, that's right here. This is the center bolt you're gonna loosen. You're gonna install, they're gonna give you this bracket to put the new hanger on. They give you this piece here. And then this is built into the pipe. Slide that through. Put 2 more of those little black lock washers on there that are provided. And then you're set. It's all on there. And then there's the chrome tailpipe that they give you. Again, that is clamped on. We'll get that welded on as well when we take it into the shop. But we wanted to install it ourselves. So there it is all the way back. As you can see right there. All fit perfect. So this is a 2003 Tacoma Prerunner. Take a look at it. It's got new wheels on it as well. But it turned out bitchin'. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the 3 different sounds. All right, now let me go into what we had troubles with here. So this is the stock pipe. We thought we could unscrew these threaded posts because on the new part you get, these are just open holes that are threaded. There's nothing there. So they give you a couple extra bolts, which we didn't end up using. I'm guessing they thought we could cut those and put them in. I don't know, but they didn't fit in the holes. So anyway, we ran down to Home Depot, got some M8 1.25 bolts, and which I think are 1.25 inches, right? But they're M8s, stainless. We put them on, we cut the heads off, and then we just bought some stainless nuts to thread on there, and that worked out bitchin' for us. But so like I said, just keep in mind, if you go to do this, these might be threaded in where you cannot remove them. Well, we couldn't anyway. I don't know how to get them out. So we just decided to buy bolts, cut the heads off, get new nuts, and it worked bitchin' for us. It's all installed. So we'll be tossing this. We're actually probably giving it away on offer up, stock muffler. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. There's me and Dylan. We got it installed. We're hoping to do some more mods too, because this is a lot of fun. But We did it. It should have taken us like under 2 hours, but how long did it take?
Let me see the timer.
Yeah, let me see the timer. Because it took us, we weren't planning on having to do those new bolts, thread everything, cut the heads off. 4.5 hours, is that what that says?
Yeah, it's because we had to go to Home Depot.
Around 4.5 hours.
It took us 40 minutes just to get those 2 front.
Gosh. We actually ended up going to Home Depot twice. We went there to get the bolts, put them in, cut the bolts, and we thought we could use the old nuts, but they're shaped differently on the tip of the nut, so it wouldn't go down, and we just toasted the threads. So we went back and got the nuts. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. This is super fun. We love making Tacoma videos. In fact, I think I'm gonna have to get a 2003 Prerunner like Dylan, because the 19 is just not as cool. I'm definitely digging the Gen 1. So maybe we'll trade. He can have the Gen 3. I'll take the Gen 1. No. But that's it. All right, you guys, have a great day. And don't forget to give back. See you in the next video. Bye. All right, we're going to give a little. Good. Look at that sweet little thing, huh? Perfect length, too. Perfect depth of the tip. See that? You don't want it coming out too far. So we shoved it all the way in. Looks good like that. Here, I'm drive away. Flowmaster. Sounds good. I like it.
Yeah.